What's up, everybody? Derek here, and in this video we're going to be diving into the absolute worst affiliate marketing strategy of all time. Despite the fact that there's tons of YouTubers out there that are saying this is the easiest way to make affiliate commissions, it's nothing more than a waste of your time, and I'm going to explain why here in just a moment. But more importantly, I'm going to show you a better way that's actually going to get you some results. First and foremost, if you're new here to the channel, be sure to subscribe. I release new digital marketing videos every single week and would love to see you as part of the channel. So with that being said, let's go ahead, let's dive into the computer and let's get started. All right, so you can see we are in my Facebook account. This is one of the groups that I'm a part of, and I'm going to show you an example of what not to do. First things first, let's explain what this strategy is. I still can't believe that people are trying to pull this off, and more importantly, I can't believe that there's people on YouTube and Facebook that are teaching this method as being a way to make easy commissions. This is complete and utter bullshit, and all it's going to do is waste your time, leave you frustrated, and piss off people. So what the strategy is that you go out and you join Facebook groups in your niche. So in this case, for me, I'd be joining any kind of digital marketing group, any kind of SEO group, any kind of video marketing, affiliate marketing, any group related to that. And then you go out to ClickBank. You log into your ClickBank account. You get approved to promote a product. And anytime anybody comes up with a question, then you paste your affiliate link inside as a reply. Or sometimes they're teaching them just to go in to make a post and create a link inside of these groups. This is not going to work. You can see right here, this is pretty common as far as rules go. No posting of links unless you're given permission, right? That's pretty standard across all of these groups. This just doesn't work. So this happened today. This reason why I'm doing this video is because I've seen this go on, and I've been meaning to do a video, and I saw it happen today, and I thought, my God, there's people that are still trying to pull this off, and this just doesn't work. So somebody comes into a group that I'm a part of, digital marketing agency owners, and they ask, what tools do you recommend for SEO? Thanks. And then you have this person come here and said, go here to see more information about how to get higher rank on both free and paid traffics now. Free and paid traffics now. And they put two affiliate links in here right there. It's just a bit.ly shortening URL, but this is both of these are affiliate links. So the fact is that people are going to see right through these vague comments. With an affiliate link, you're not going to get any traction. The thing that you've got to realize is what Facebook groups are designed to do. Facebook groups were designed to connect with other people, connect with like-minded individuals that's going to help them achieve whatever goals that they have. So in the event of somebody that is in a digital marketing agency group, then these are people that are looking to get more clients. That's the main topic that they're talking about, is how to get more clients and how to better service their clients. So if you can come in here and make a comment that actually has some merit to it without pasting a link to your stuff or pasting a link to an affiliate product, then you're going to get some traction, and you're going to be looked at as more of a leader inside that group and somebody that knows what they're talking about. You're going to have a better chance of creating a following and being able to sell later on just by being helpful inside these groups. The other thing that you want to think about is there's a lot of overlap in these groups. So people that are in the digital marketing agency group are probably in some SEO groups, or probably in some other digital marketing groups, and maybe even affiliate marketing groups and video marketing groups. And if you're going through and you're posting the same stuff over and over and over again into all these groups, then you're just going to be known as a spammer that everybody tries to avoid. So the key is realizing that Facebook groups are designed to help each other and to have some interaction with each other without pasting and blasting spam inside the groups. And again, this is only going to upset the administration. It's going to upset the other members of the community if you're blogging, clogging this up with a bunch of spam. There's a better way to do that, providing helpful advice, providing helpful content. Now, you can take this to a whole nother level, though. If you see that there's some repetition in some of the questions and some of the comments and what people are looking for, then this is a cool strategy that actually does work. And I'm going to put up this mind mapping tool here so I can kind of illustrate the point so you can see what this is all about. So let's stick with the example that we've got a Facebook group that's all about local marketing and client getting. and you see that there are people that are in there talking a lot about local SEO and how to rank, Google My Business pages, as well as how to rank their clients' websites. Well, what you can do is you can set up a Facebook fan page if you've not got one already, but you can create a video. And this video needs to be very highly thought out, needs to have a lot of content, no links or anything like that. You don't want to spam this with a video. You just want to create a very informational, a very content rich, something that is going to help the group and contribute to the group. And that's something that you want to keep in the back of your head. It's like, okay, is this going to be something that the rest of the group finds beneficial? I'm not trying to sell anything in this video. I want to just be helpful to the rest of the group. So you can take your Facebook fan page, create the video. Let's say it's about SEO, about your local SEO process. You create the video, and then you come over here to your Facebook group that you're a part of. And again, in this case, if you're part of a group, probably you're on your personal profile. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the URL from this video here, and you're going to come into this group and say, hey, I saw that there was a lot of questions about the SEO process. I decided to break this down in a step-by-step format in this video. If this is okay, I'm posting this here. If not, the admin can let me know. And that way you're putting a video inside this group that has a lot of content that has value. What's going to happen here is if you're not pitching in this video that you hear and it's just good stuff, good quality content, then what's going to happen is the admin is going to take notice, and the other people are going to take notice, and they're going to value that. They're going to encourage you to post more. They're going to encourage you to take part more in the group. But here's where this gets good. Is you can set up a retargeting campaign for anybody that has watched this video here. So let's say, for example, you drop that video in. Now you can set up a ad campaign that is targeting anybody that has watched this video. So in this case, if you know they are about local marketing and they're digital marketing agency owners, and you created a video about your SEO process, well, now all of a sudden you can create an ad campaign that you can promote a webinar, you can promote a free video series, you can promote a cheat sheet, you can get them on your list at that point, and then you can sell them through the follow-up with your with either through ads or through your email campaigns. So this is the way to actually make Facebook groups work for you, and you can keep building up these retargeting lists. You can keep adding, you can create different videos for different groups. If you've got a local, let's say you've got this local marketing group, let's say you've got another group that's about video marketing, and you've got a process for video marketing, you can create a separate video, and then you can start running these different types of campaigns to where you can start building an email list and start promoting affiliate products through that. That is the best way to use Facebook groups and to be able to monetize Facebook groups if you don't have your own group. Now, if you've got your own group, that's completely different. That's a discussion, completely different discussion. We'll talk about that later on in a separate video. But for now, if you enjoyed this video, you got a lot of value out of it, then be sure to give it a like. That helps me get found in the good old algorithms. Also, I've queued up 2 videos that I think you'll find beneficial. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. I release new videos every single week. Until next time, take care, and we'll see you real soon.